something I've never done before. We're at the Costco, and we've seen people do this before. My battery is pretty much spent on this thing. But we've seen people do this, and I'm gonna do it right now. I've seen people do this. Do the parking lot battery swap, and then get yourself a new battery. And you don't gotta do the car swap, don't gotta use the other thing that stinks like contraband. It's a nice Tahoe over there, not trashed. Like T800s that I'm familiar with. Is it loose? Alright, throw that in the back. Let's buy a new one. We gotta buy one this time. I locked my door. Damn it. Whitey's cool. And then you get your little kitty battery and there you go. Show pushing the cart back. Hold on. ASMR over there. Put that in. I could have bought a car faster than getting this battery. I gotta install it. They can't fucking drive, you just install it. Starts up a little bit faster. Let's roll, buddy. Probably got a shit battery. Yay! I'll take that off later. And happy days. That's how you do the battery, Costco battery swap thing. It's pretty shit. Oh yeah, this has to go, well, this gets wacky and everything, the clock's off. Set all this. 101? No, this ain't 101. Alright, video over. That's how you do your battery swap at the horrible... It takes so long to get a battery here. Just the service is terrible. You pretty much have to... You should bring like a lunch sandwich with you, a bottle, a freaking little chair to sit on. It's just fucking ridiculous. It really is. Alright, what is it, like 108 bucks or something? I don't know. We got this deal because they're cheap ass batteries and it's cheaper anywhere else. They're all garbage these days. Let me set my clock. Have a good one. Do the swap in the lot, it's a lot easier. 95. Still. Battery swap is not fun when it's 95. What else we gotta do? We gotta do a couple more things. There was another stop, I don't know. Another stop. EPS guy doing the big backdoor delivery. I remember those. Can we get through over here? Ah, shit, we can get through. We'll fit a fucking UPS truck through here. Pro driver. We're over here. Now we got a new battery, so maybe it will actually last 2 years. My transmission was just giving out over there. Probably was. This transmission fails, I'm probably just going to rebuild it myself. Man, this place really sucks. It really does. Yeah, I'm done with these big retail corporation stores. I was just like checking out this one store looking for shit. They didn't even have anything. And they had like hardly anyone there. Well, this thing's acting weird. IAC's acting weird. Then again, I probably never put a battery in this thing and just started driving it like this anyway. IAC is getting weird on it. It's going woof. Now it's back to normal. That's a learn. It happens. You should always let like your vehicle idle for about like a couple minutes when you put a new battery in, but I never do that. Now I don't have fast turn signals. Shit. Paint just flew out of this thing. Yeah, that was a big piece of paint that just fell off this thing. I think we're gonna get rain, and I don't know. Let's get back to the prison yard over here. All right. That's a long light. Hopefully we get it. Ever wonder where condo land is? Ever wonder that place that had the piece of shit Peterbilt, their van this past? All new people driving it. The old battery tested 466 cold cranking amps. It was like 1219 after it sat like overnight. That's what these things they die for, because they get so hot. You need a cooler climate. But the other battery max it would charge up to is 12.4, like 2, and that was it. It wouldn't do any better. And that battery too had the label. Costco actually, someone tried to sue them in Florida, but I don't even think it went anywhere. The old battery said free replacement, so 36-month free replacement. And then they changed the labeling because they kept charging people if the price changed. Mine had a different label. It said free replacement. I should have showed it, but they now charge you when they raise the price. So if this goes bad in like a year, it'll be a different price, and then you have to eat the difference. And in the past, you didn't. But last time they did it to me when I warranted this battery, I bitched and I got like my $3 back. But now you can't do it anymore. This thing gets so hot. You wonder why these batteries do not last. The heat kills batteries. The cold does not. The heat kills batteries. Alright, enter. Let's see what we're going to get now. Reading. I cranked this thing like 10 times too. So I needed to reset. Look at it. 767, piece of junk. Piece of junk. Should read 800 or better, but I never do. These things are junk. But it says good battery though. The other one rated was like 460, so this one actually goes. The other one. That's the best you get out of it though. Yeah, I regret though not showing the 2019 battery. It had that old labeling on it. And they changed it. Right over condo, man. It's like where this truck used to be all the time, like JFK, same shit. There we go. Now we have a warranty. And yeah, the guy who gave me this too, the guy was nice and everything to lift it, but the guy lifted it on such an extreme angle. I was concerned that acid was going to start coming out of the vents, but it didn't. Maybe he tilted it the other way. I'm not sure. Yeah, he probably tilted it this way. If he tilted it the other way, it would have came out of here. But I don't like when people do that. I wonder why the batteries don't last at Costco. You have bad handling. Yeah, I was going to get an Exide battery from Home Depot, but they didn't have it. And Exide is now owned by China, I think. So, and they make the batteries in India. So I said, hell no, I'm not doing it. But there's your deal with their battery. That's your other code. And 100 and, what is it, 108 after the $15 core fee. So, that's their deal.